how to make a Google Drive link for photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make Google Drive link for your photos. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your browser and then open up your Google Drive. Then go to new option in the top left and then tap on new folder and then name the folder according to your choice. Hit create and you need to go to that folder and go to new again, go to file upload and upload the photos or videos of your choice and then hit open. So you'll need to wait for a while to upload. And now you can share this folder through a link. So what you can do is you can go to recent and find your folder and then go to the three dots and then you can see share, tap on it, and then you can tap on copy link and then share this link with others. Tap on manage access and make sure that you have given access to anyone with the link. So copy link and then send it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.